Today we're reviewing the PowerUp lightning cable for the iPhone 6S. This is a 6-foot lightning cable. It is a fast charging and data sync cable. Its color is space gray and it is by PowerUp. I bought it on Amazon. Check it out. This is a really good quality cable. Very high quality. The material here. Check out the ports. There's the lightning plug and the USB plug. Get into focus there. There we go. Alright, now this cable is pretty heavy duty here. It's much better than the stock cable that comes with your iPhone. Check it out. It's good for all of these iPhone models actually. The 7, 7 Plus, all the 6s, all the 5s, the iPad Pro, the iPad Mini 4, all the older iPads. It's good for all of those that take a lightning cable. Check it out. Here's a comparison to the original cable. You can just see the better quality of the PowerUp cable. It's much beefier. It's just built to last. PowerUp. Here we go. We're gonna try to show you how to just plug it into the phone. Very easy. Comes right on, powers right up. Cable works perfectly. This cable's awesome. I got it on Amazon. Link is in the description below and at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.